Sa umpisa pa lang daw ng laban, natantya na ni Jeff Horn na kaya niyang ma-outbox o malamangan si Senador Manny Pacquiao. Kaya kahit sa isang punto'y gustong ipatigil ang laban dahil sa sugat sa mata ni Horn, hindi pumayag ang Australianong boksingero. May unang balita si Mav Gonzalez.
Kahit duguan, bakas ang saya sa mukha ni Jeff Horn nang pumasok sa locker room niya kahapon matapos masulot ang WBO welterweight title mula kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao.
Absolutely unbelievable. I can't explain the words really. I'm just so excited, so pumped. I cannot wait to the next step.
Muntik na raw itigil ang laban dahil sa sugat sa mata ni Jeff.
They wanted the doctor to come out after round 9 and said, "Do we want to stop the fight?" And I said, "No way." I knew that in 1 minute break, just keeping Jeff calm, I could get him back out and deliver a big round 10. He did that. He come back and he won that round. I knew we were still very much in that contest, and there's no way I wanted that fight stopped then.
It definitely was a battle of Brisbane, that's for sure. And it may be a battle of Brisbane too.
Jeff, they gave you a chance to quit, but you said no.
Yeah, for sure. I was not ready for quit. Not a quitter. Australians aren't quitters.
Kwento ni Jeff, kahit ilang beses din siyang nasuntok ni Pacquiao, hindi siya nag-alinlangan na kaya niyang maka-score ng upset sa laban.
I thought from the very beginning, before the matches started, I believed in myself that I could win the fight. The first couple of rounds, when I won those rounds, I was like, I can do this. I can outbox Manny Pacquiao.
Dumating din sa locker room ang pamilya ni Jeff, kabilang ang asawang si Joanna na buntis ngayon sa kanilang panganay.
Number 1 is on its way. Yes. So that's another thing that we have to celebrate this year as well. I'd say Manny would probably be a bit more prepared. I do think he was a bit shocked in the first couple of rounds, but yeah.
Naiyak pa ang ilang kaanak ni Jeff.
Just absolutely amazing. You know, you see all the hard work that Jeff and Glenn have put into something like that, and yeah, this just makes it so much worthwhile.
Pagkatapos ng media interviews, dumiretso sa klinik si Jeff para tahiin ang pumutok niyang kanang mata. Kasama niya roon ang asawa, coach at kapatid at cutman na si Ben Horn.
If we wouldn't have done all that work we did, you wouldn't have it then. So yeah, you needed to do everything we did, but you really did well.
Sa post-fight press conference, napag-usapan ang rematch ni Pacquiao at Horn.
We have a clause in the contract for a rematch, but I told Manny, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to have a long talk with him, and we're going to see what we're going to do.
Yeah, that's fine. Bring it on. I'd love to fight you in front of you guys again.
Ngayon, i-enjoy raw muna ng Team Hornet ang pagkapanalo nila. Ito ang unang balita sa Brisbane, Australia. Mav Gonzalez reporting.